2004 Nissan Quest 3.5 liter V6 automatic, 143,000 miles. I'm going to give you a quick walk around video tour, a virtual tour, virtual walk around to help you get more comfortable with the van. I'll point out all the good and all the bad. So it's a very clean van. It has 4 recent tires on it all the way around. The wheels are in good shape, and so are the brakes. The auto check history report shows 2 owners and no accidents. The body's in good shape all around. There's a little bit of a scuff right there. Again, tires are brand new on the rear. The fronts have been recently replaced. A little bit of scuff on the rear bumper too. We have a power sliding door. If you push right here, it will shut as well. The rear hatch is a power hatch as well, so if you just push this, it'll open on its own. Stow and go 3rd row seat, so this 3rd row folds completely flat into the floor. And we have middle row captain's chairs as well as obviously front captain's chairs too. If we push right here, the rear hatch shuts on its own. Middle row seats are clean. Does have the climate control for the rear passengers as well up there. We have a power cloth heated seat. Everything's right there for your controls as well as steering wheel. If you have any questions or would like to see this van in person, please call me at 603-475-0277. More information on our website at www.flying-wheels.com. And don't forget to subscribe to get updates on all of our inventory. Thank you very much.